Stop scrolling. You're about to learn the one Brussels sprouts recipe that turns sprout haters into sprout addicts. Stick with me until the end because the tip, yes, this tip will change your roasted veggie game forever. If you've ever boiled Brussels sprouts into mushy sadness, don't worry. We're fixing generational trauma today. Let's grab everything we need. 1.5 pounds of Brussels sprouts, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Nothing weird, nothing fancy, just plant-based delicious and wallet-friendly. By the way, 1 cup of Brussels sprouts provides 3.5 grams of fiber. Hello, healthy digestion, plus huge amounts of vitamin C and vitamin K. That means immune support, bone strength, and the ability to clot blood like a superhero. But if you're on blood thinners like warfarin, enjoy these beauties in moderation. Science says so, not me. Preheat your oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. And please don't boil these. That destroys nutrients and flavor. Roast, steam, or saute for maximum benefits and max yum. Step by step, trim the ends, remove yellow leaves. Cut them in half if they're big enough to be used as tiny helmets. Toss them into a big bowl or resealable bag if you like aggressive shaking workouts. Add olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and lemon juice. Shake or stir to coat, pretending you're a cooking montage. Lay them flat on a baking sheet, single layer only. Crowding equals steaming, which equals sadness. Roast 30 to 45 minutes, shaking every 5 to 7 minutes to ensure that perfect browning. We want dark, brown, crispy edges like they went on vacation and actually tanned evenly. All right, you stayed till the end. So here's the tip. It's simple. When those sprouts come out, hit them with a tiny extra squeeze of lemon juice and a pinch of salt while they're still sizzling. That fresh burst of flavor, that's the goosh. That's the why are these so good moment. If you are leery about the extra lemon, taste the recipe first before adding any extra lemon or salt. So remember, Brussels sprouts give you fiber for digestion, vitamin C for immune support, and vitamin K for strong bones. Just don't overcook them. Roasting protects their nutrients and boosts flavor. Simple steps, simple ingredients, and boom, you're eating healthier already. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.